Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a control chart in Excel. A control chart, also known as a show hard chart or process behavior chart, is widely used to determine if a manufacturing or business process is in a state of statistical control. This tutorial introduces the detailed steps of creating a control chart in Excel. Firstly, you need to calculate the mean or average and standard deviation. In the cell H1, type average, press tab and select your data range, press enter. In the standard deviation, we will use the standard deviation for sample instead of population. Press tab, select your data range, press the enter key. Next, we will go to the control line column, and in the first cell below the header, cell C2, we will type the formula. We will select cell H1, press F4 key to lock the cell, press enter and double click on it to copy the formula to all data range. Here cell H1 is the average result. In the first cell below the app control line column, cell D2, type the following formula. Select cell H1, press F4 key, plus, open a bracket, select cell H2, press F4 key, times 3, close the bracket, press enter, double click on it to copy it to other cells as well. Under the below control line column, type the following formula in cell E2, press F4 key, minus, open the bracket, select H2 key, press F4 button, and times 3, close the bracket, press enter, double click on it to copy it to other cell ranges. Now you can insert a chart. Select data and insert internet usage columns and click the insert tab. In the charts group, click the insert line or chart area drop down list, and under the 2D click the line chart. Then right click on the line chart and click select data from the context menu. In the select data source dialog, click add button in the edit series dialog and select control line as the series name. Press enter and select the relative data into the series value text box. Press enter, click the OK button. Then repeat the same steps to add the data of up control line and lower control line as in the series legend entry series X section. Series name, select up control line. In the series values, select your data values, press enter, click OK button, click add. Series name, select lower control line. The series values, select your data values, press enter, click the OK button, click the OK to exit the dialog. Now a control chart is created. For better visibility, we will insert legends as well. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.